Hello everybody and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. A couple weeks ago I made a plaid tote with Unbiased LLC. It came out so cute. I have since sewn another fabric placemat tote that had a blue jean backing. So I made the back of this one with the blue jean pocket, and it has longer handles cut from a metallic silver and black placemat. Now the front I sewed together with the blue jean fabric and also making the pocket with the blue jean fabric placemat. I used this iron-on template from the Dollar Tree and placed on the front of this. I also included my name tag. This was fun and they turned out so cute. I am definitely going to sew more as I find more beautiful fabric placemats, or even just from material that I have stashed. They are adorable and great gifts. Thank you, Unbiased LLC, for allowing me to come up on your platform and make such beautiful creations. Looking forward to more. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.